Hey guys, welcome back everybody. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, today in this video we are going to troubleshoot this scenario. There is some problem. What is the issue? Issue is this. You can see LAN users are able to ping 8.8.8 but not able to access website, right? Like these users, PC1 and PC2, these users are able to communicate with each other as well as they are able to ping 8.8.8. Even they are able to ping router, firewall, but these PCs are not able to access the website. So let's see what is the issue and how we can fix it. Okay, but guys, before starting the troubleshooting here, we don't need to troubleshoot the routing, right? Because routing is there, that's why these PCs are able to ping 8.8.8. Okay, so before that, before starting the routing, if I will show you the routing table of, let's say, router, right? So here you can see, so IP route. So on the router I have one default route towards Palo Alto Firewall, right? Okay, and PCs have correct IP address, we can verify that also. Like here I have access of PC1, and from PC1 if I am going to access CMD and let me ping 8.8.8.8, or before pinging I can say IP config, show me the IP configuration. So IP address of this PC is, you can see, 10.1.1.1, subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway, okay, default gateway is this one, 10.1.1.254, which is the IP address on, I think, switch, or maybe on the router, on the router, yeah, on the router only. Router is my gateway. Okay, and this PC is connected with internet as well. Here you can see this PC is connected with internet, right? PC, then Ethernet, private network, after that internet. Okay, so now you can try to ping 8.8.8 from this PC. Ping, ping 8.8.8.8, 8.8.8.8, and you can see I am able to ping. But again, if I will ping www.google.com, ping www.google.com, so you can see I'm not getting reply message, right? Even you can try from the browser, like in browser you can try to open Facebook, and you can see I'm not able to access the website. Even I have checked the private cache memory, the machine is able to resolve the IP address from the domain name, but they are not able to access the website. On the Palo Alto Firewall you can check the, like, you can monitor the traffic as well. Here we can say traffic, and now I can send some traffic, like let's say google.com. Okay, so here you can see the packets on Palo Alto Firewall. Okay, packet is going from inside to outside. Actually this interface is configured as inside Ethernet 1/0, and interface Ethernet 1/1 is configured as outside. Okay, and if you will open this message, so you can see the detailed information about it, like the port number 53, like, so this is DNS packet. Here we are able to see the DNS packet, but we are not able to see any web traffic here, HTTP traffic. These all are DNS traffic, right? So Palo Alto, on the Palo Alto Firewall we are able to see the DNS traffic, but we are not able to see any web traffic. Okay, these all are, DNS traffic only, right? Or if I will ping 8.8.8, ping 8.8.8, then you can see on Palo Alto Firewall. Here I can refresh it. Now you will see some ICMP packet also. It's loading. Yeah, now let me open this one, and you can see this is ICMP packet, and translation is also doing like working fine. IP address, and this is my private IP address 10.1.1.1, which is the IP address of my PC, right? So when PC is generating a request message with source 10.1.1.1, Palo Alto Firewall is translating the source into this IP address. This is my public IP address running on Ethernet 1/1 on outside interface. Even you can verify that through CLI also. Here you can run command so interface all, and on Ethernet 1/1 you can see IP address is 192.168.1.50. When on like on the WAN link I am running this subnet. Good. Now, but why I'm not able to access the website? See guys, on the Palo Alto Firewall, in this scenario and in this requirement, what configurations are required? Like the John configuration. So definitely John's configuration is correct. That's why inside users are able to forward traffic outside, are able to ping the A.A.8, and even let me try to ping any other IP address like 1.1.1 or 8. Let's say 4.4.4. So you can see I'm not able to ping, right? That means I'm only able to ping 8.8.8, right? Only 8.8.8 is reachable. Ping 1.1.1.1. See, I am not able to ping 1.1.1 also, right? It might be possible that default route is not configured on Palo Alto Firewall, right? Towards internet, there is one route for 8.8.8 only, IP route 8.8.8. So we can check the routing table of Palo Alto Firewall. Here through CLI also we can check so routing route. And no, here we have default route. You can see we have default route on Ethernet 1/0 on outside interface, right? And the next of IP address, this is correct. We have the default route. So guys, see, let me verify the all configuration. Like here John configuration, then the security policy configuration, we can verify the NAT rule configuration. See, this can be because of NAT rule also. Like in NAT rule, let's say you have configured that source is this one 10.1.1.1 or source is any, but destination is 8.8.8. So if you will specify the destination, that means it can perform translation only and only for 8.8.8, not for any other address. In the same way, for the security policy also, if I will define the destination 8.8.8, then it will only allow traffic from any source to 8.8.8. It will allow any traffic from any source for 8.8.8 only, right? Rest all traffic will be not allowed. So we need to create two zone here, right? Inside and outside, inside and outside, and all traffic should be allowed from inside too, or we can define the inside subnet like inside address is 10.1.1.0, right? This is possible, but destination should be any, here. In the same way, for the NAT also, source can be 10.1.1.0 or it can be any, but destination must be any, correct? So we'll verify these two configuration first. I think it might be possible there are some issue in the NAT rule configuration or security policy configuration. So let's verify that. To verify that, here I have GUI access of my Palo Alto Firewall. Let me show you. So here is the access of my Palo Alto Firewall. devices. These are general configuration. Go to network section, and then here under network we can verify the John configuration. But by the way, John configuration is correct. Like this interface is in inside John and this interface is in outside John, because users are able to ping A.A.8. So go to John's, and here you can see we have two John. Interface type is layer 3, and in inside John we have this interface Ethernet 1 by 2, and in outside John we have this interface Ethernet 1 by 1. That is absolutely fine. Then on interface, see the interfaces configuration. These two interfaces are configured and the IP address is also correct. And here you can check the security John. After that, here we should check the policies, right, or NAT rule. So NAT rule and policy is here under policy section. Click on policy and then security policy. So here you can see these two are the default policy on Palo Alto Firewall, the intra John and inter John policy. And here this one is the new policy which we have created here: allow inside to outside traffic, right? So, and in the NAT rule I have one NAT rule as well. Yes, here is my NAT rule. So let's verify both one by one. First of all, I am going to verify the NAT rule. Click on NAT name, okay, original packet. So you can see source is inside and destination is outside, but here we have not defined the destination address. You can see destination address is any only, and it should be any. If you want, you can define the source address. Source address I can say like LAN and 10.1.1.0/24. We can define the source, but destination should be any. Okay, then translated packet, you can see the NAT type is PAT, dynamic IP and PAT. Then the address type is interface address. Ethernet is 1/1. That is also fine. IP address is also correct. Let me say okay here, and let me verify what happened here. Delete it, and address, and here we can LAN 10.1.1.0. description can be same, and the destination IP source IP 10.1.1.0/24. Okay, say okay here. So this way we can define the source address, and then we can say okay. And then let me verify the security policy. So click on security, and guys, here we have one policy: allow inside to outside. Let me check the configuration here. Source, so you can see source zone is inside and source address is again any, right? The services also we have not selected anything. Then click on destination, and in destination you can see my zone is outside, but destination address is defined over here, that is DNS, right? The destination address is DNS address is only allowed, which is the issue. We should delete it, right? I have deleted it, right? You can not configure the destination only one specific IP address. Destination should be all. So I have deleted it, and now I am going to say destination any, not this one also, any, and say okay. Fine, and let's commit it. And now I will try to access. Still I am not able to ping 1.1.1. only DNS server was DNS IP was allowed. So after the commit I am expecting the communication. Wait, commit succeed. Now even I am not able to ping 8.8.8. So here is some issue. Okay, click on source and say okay. And after that we can commit it. And after the commit it will work. Now I have set destination, and earlier destination was DNS only, right, in the security policy. So firewall was only allowing DNS traffic from inside to outside. Now it will allow all the traffic from inside to outside, any source, any destination, right? If you want to define the source, you can configure it. Now let me try to ping again. 8.8.8 is working, and www.google.com. Now you can see I'm able to ping google.com as well, right? Now I can open the browser. You can see I'm able to access Facebook page. You can access the YouTube also. You can see I'm able to access the YouTube as well. In YouTube I can open the channel, my PM networking YouTube channel here. Why internet is slow? Internet speed test. So internet speed is slow, no problem. Now you can see it's working. That means we can now access the website, like LAN users are able to access the website. So this was a small troubleshooting on Palo Alto Firewall. Guys, if you have learned something from this video, please hit on like button. If you have any question, query, concern, please let me know in the comment section. If you want to appreciate me for this video, just type yes in the comment section. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.